Kia ora everybody, and welcome to VIP NZ Virtual Tours. My name is Mark, and I'll be your host for today's tour of the Auckland Winter Garden. Designed in the 1920s, the Winter Garden exists in two vaulted ceiling glass houses. This is one of them here. And one of the houses is a stunning array of colourful tropical plants and is kept warm all year round, while the other displays temperate plants that change with the seasons. We will be checking out both. Okay, as always, all information regarding locations and opening times, etc. are posted on each tour on our website. Oh look, you can see some of the tropical plants there. Okay, everybody, let's get into it. We'll head over to the main entrance over here.